my video, so we're date stamping the video. Today is Friday, September 30th, and it's what, 8:40, 8:20. And you are my what? Homeroom super special students, thank you. Okay, let's review what we did yesterday. What did we talk about yesterday?
Division.
Division of what? What kind of numbers? Division, and we use round numbers, right? And what is a round number? What does it end in? A zero. Right. So, let's do a couple of review problems. Let's warm up our brains. All right? I know I warmed them up already with your bell work and your quick check, but let me just give you another problem and let's just see how well we do. Let's say that we have, remember we did the examples yesterday with the plane?
Yes.
We have a plane that has carried 24,000 passengers, and each plane holds 600 passengers. How many trips did we make to get to 24,000 passengers? What do we do first? Let's do our cup. I saw all his hands go up. It's good. Like it. I like it. Allie.
400.
And how did you get to 400?
They cost out 40, I think.
You took up 2. There we go. And then I could easily do what? Divide 6 into 24. And then what did I have?
4.
Ah, well, that was 1 0. Me and a pen. You know how I am with a pen. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, because if we brought it back with our zeros, we would get 40, and we get 24,000, right? 40 times 600 would be 24,000, right? 4 times 6 is? 4 times 6 is? Oh. I'm pulling all these Quest kids. Yeah, I need to take Quest kids out of copyright. Kelsey Williams. 4 times 6 is what? 24. I got a 0. How many zeros do I have?
1.
How many did I cross out?
2.
I got back to 24,000 because I had 1, 2, 3 zeros. Yes, Josie.
Why did we cross out the zeros?
It makes it easier to divide, right? Let me see if I can get somebody else to answer besides me. Okay, Adley, why did we cross out those zeros?
So we could
Make it easier because we're working with what? Grayson.
You can break it down easier to an easier number and divide that number.
Right. We're breaking it down to make it easier to divide that number. So we're not dealing with a whole bunch of zeros, because if we were working with a number like, let's say we were doing 240,000 divided by 60,000, that's a lot of zeros to be working with, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're just going to have zeros all over your paper. So how many zeros would I cross out here?
2, 3,
2, 3. Who says 2?
2.
Who says 3? Why 3? Because it has to be what?
Even.
Has to be balanced, right? Okay? Which that didn't even work. Y'all let me go.
Yeah.
Y'all let me go with that.
I was so confused. I was like,
Ah, 240,000. All right, carrying on. It's a Friday morning, but we know. We know.
We're all confused on Fridays.
We're all confused on Fridays. That's right.
We did Friday.
But y'all know that I am what? What kind of teacher am I?
A good teacher.
I'm setting you up. I set you up on that one. Okay, so today we're going to go to page 186. And we're going to carry on with what we've learned with dividing with zeros, because you guys caught on to that really well when I did my last check, my 135 check from yesterday. How were we today on the dividing with the zeros? A 1 means I'm lost still, 3 means I'm a bit confused, and 5 means I got it.
Eyes closed.
Okay, the ones who are 3s, we're going to work with Josie. What's up? I didn't see a hand. Okay, if you're a 3, we're going to work with you at blue time, okay? But what do we need to do? We need to what? Practice. Because what happens with practice?
You get better, and you don't get a 0 on your test.
Yeah, you don't get a 0 on your test. Thank you. I hope you don't get a 0 on your test. So what we're going to do this time, we're going to round numbers and estimate. Remember when we talked about estimating? What do we do with estimating?
We don't
Just
the
you
exact
don't.
amount.
You
So
round
we
it
try to
out
get
to
close
the
to what
easier
we
number.
Or either round it up or round it down to the easier number to deal with. Because it gets you what? What's the phrase I taught you guys?
Confused.
It gets you confused. It gets you what? Close?
Enough.
Close enough. Close enough. So it lets you know you're in the ballpark. You kind of know where you are, so that you're not, you're not way out on some crazy number that's not even going to work for the problem if you use the real numbers. So let's look here. Let me see. Who am I going to get to be my reader? Isabella.
Ella earned $159 by selling bracelets. Each bracelet was the same price. About how much did each bracelet cost?
So, what's our little dude telling us? You can use division to find the price. You know the total amount earned. How much did she earn?
159. And that could round up to 160.
Oh, you're racing yourself ahead of me, man. 159, that can round up to 160. And you can use division to find the price. Okay.
Clear.
The question asks about how much. So, what does it say?
And then it's done in enough.
An estimate is enough. Use compatible numbers to estimate 159 divided by 75. And you guys said it right. 159 is close to 160. That's 75. We could use it as 75, but that would make us do some more work. We have to work a little bit harder, right?
Yeah. So we could.
Make it what? What?
80.
80. So 160 divided by 80 equals 2. So 160 and 80 are compatible numbers. This is how we know they're compatible numbers. They end in the same digit. Okay? So they're compatible. What does the word compatible mean? Josie?
They work with each other.
They work with each other well. That is the perfect definition. Yes, they work with each other well. So that's what we're going to do. Look for numbers that work with each other well. Doing it quickly. If I go to the store, and I know you guys love your Pokemon cards. How much are Pokemon cards?
$3.
Yeah, like
$3.45.
$3.45.
Frozen goose is 7 cents.
And I want to buy,
3 of them.
let's say we want to buy, yeah, we have to use an even number. Let's say we want to buy
8 of them.
4 of them. What can I round that 345 to?
350.
350. What can I round? I'm gonna change that to a number. What can I round that 9 to? What can I round 9 to?
10.
So what can I do now? 10 goes into $3.50. How many times? way, everybody. My example didn't work so swift there, but let's try again. I erased you. All right. So let's check for reasonableness. Y'all are getting the point what I'm saying about compatible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So zeros work together. This is our lesson for today. 0, and this is way back from Schoolhouse Rock. 0, 0, my hero. So we know it's about 2. So Ella charged about $2 for each bracelet. And then we work backwards to get our answer, right? All right, 1, 3, 5. Understand, kind of understand, don't understand, kind of understand, law. My fingers are backwards today. Don't understand, kind of understand, got it. Get it, got it, good. Okay. You're so good. You're so good.